Hi, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time zone you're on. I'm Abdulasi Sarmiento, your host for today. I'm my assistant, Jade Bagarino.
Hi guys.
And my other assistant, Ian Gabriel.
Hi.
Today, we're explaining the PCM or the plant cell model, or if you're a biotech nerd, a cell. This here in the middle is called the nucleus, the brain of the entire cell. If this nucleus dies or disappears, the entire cell will die out. And here are the cell parts.
We have nucleus, Golgi bodies, lysosome, nucleolus, reticulum, and vacuole. And we have also chloroplast, cell wall, ribosome, cell membrane, smooth reticulum, and cytoplasm. And next, the primary function of the nucleolus. Primary function of the nucleus is facilitating ribosome biogenesis through the processing and assembly of RNA into ribosomal particles. Lysosome and reticulum function. Lysosome has the digestive system of the cell, serving both to degrade material taken up from outside the cell and to digest obsolete components of the cell itself. Growth reticulum produce proteins for the rest of the cell to function.
Vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelle. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and helps sequester waste. Products in plant cells, vacuoles help maintain water balance. And sometimes a single vacuole can take up most of the interior space of the plant cell.
Chloroplast and cell wall function. Chloroplast produce energy through photosynthesis and oxygen release process which sustain plant growth and crop yield. The cell wall separates the interior contents of the cell from exterior environment. Plant cell structure. Just like different organs within the body, plant cell structure includes various components known as cell organelles that perform different functions of sustain itself. These organelles include cell wall. Trivia time! What makes plant cell unique? Plant cells have a cell wall. Plant cells are different from animal cells in a number of ways. Did you know red algae or multicolor marine algae have chloroplasts that contain the pigment picoblin rather than chlorophyll? This gives them a reddish rather green color. Primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support to the cell. The plant cell wall is also involved in protecting the cell gates. The formation of the cell wall is guided by The formation of the cell wall is guided by microtubules. It consists the three layers, namely primary, secondary, and the middle lamella. The primary cell wall is formed by cellulose laid down by enzymes.
The cell membrane is the semi-permeable membrane that is present within the cell wall. It is composed of the thin layer of protein and fat.
The cell membrane plays an important role in regulating the entry and exit of specific substances within the cell. For instance, cell membrane keeps toxins from entering inside while nutrients and essential minerals are transported across. Nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. That vital function of a nucleus is to store DNA or heredity, information required by cell division, metabolism, and growth. Nucleolus. It manufactures cells, protein producing structures, and ribosomes. Nuclear membrane is perforated with with hosts called nucleophore that allow protein and nucleic acid to pass through. Explore more nucleus. Plastids.
They are membrane-bound organelles that have their own DNA. They are necessary to store starch and carry out this, and is also used in synthesis of many molecules, which form the building blocks of cells. And some of the vital types of plastids are their function and stated below. Another thing from the chloroplast it is an englanted organelle enclosed by photosite membrane. The chloroplast is shaped like a disc like CD, and the strontium fluid within the chloroplast acts compressed in a circular DNA. Each chloroplast contains a green colored pigment called chlorophyll, required for the process of photosynthesis. The chlorophyll absorbs the light energy from the sun, the big yellow thing in the sky. It will transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose.
Golgi bodies, they are found in eukaryotic cells, which are involved in distributing, synthesizing micromolecules, the various part of the cell. Ribosomes, they are smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise RNA and protein. They are the sites for protein synthesis, hence also referred to as the protein factories of the cell. Protea, they are the double membrane organelles found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They provide energy by breaking down carbohydrate and sugar molecules. Hence, they are also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell.
Lysosomes are called suicidal bags as they hold digestive enzymes in an enclosed membrane. They perform the function of circular waste disposal by digesting worn out organelles, food particles, and foreign bodies in the cell. In plants, the role of lysosomes is undertaken by vacuoles. Well, thank you for watching, folks. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and leave a like.
Thank you for